Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna doing DIY about how to screen your fabric. Today I doing a reusable cotton towel, and let's do it. And I'll show you how to do this. It's pretty easy and simple. It's good for customize to use it, and it's very cute and very stylish. So this is some of the idea that I love fishing, and I put my name on it, and then I just put all the word and alphabet. And this is also good for a YouTuber that wanted to screen something very unique and expressed it in the alphabet. And this is also the other one that I do for the toe. So YouTuber, because doing lockdown sale era, all of this is just you paint on the fabric. And this is all the equipment that I used for screening on this reusable towel. I pretty much went to the art and craft store and just pick up the color of your fabric or your favorite color of reusable towel. And I only bought 2 of different pouch that's it look like this, and this is the brand I use. It's for a fabric paint, and only another tool that you need for this project, art and craft, for YouTuber, small business. Just any kind of a plastic scraping or something that have a handle, and you can just scraping the paint around it. And this is you need to buy one of the fabric stencil, and it's pretty easy to use. You just basically have a little glue, and you just take them out and you just press it on the fabric, and it's reusable, so you just take them all because they have another side that have a little glue here on it. And then when you have the word and put it on the alphabet, then you just press it like that. And what you do, you just, the way you're holding the fabric color, I would hold it this way, and then just open the knob and just squeeze it up a little bit, and then just using this, and then kind of do a little bit on there, and then you will put the ink on this thing, and after all it filling in, you just take the alphabet out. But you're gonna need a piece of I just use the regular white paper, put underneath it just to absorb the ink that come from this side, go through the fabric, just prevent the have the paper there to put underneath this whatever you wanted to paint on the subject. It helps prevent the ink absorb to the other side of fabric, then it won't look so messy. So that's how I do it, and I'm gonna show you how to do them. I'm gonna stay on the fabric, but I also do a t-shirt and long sleeves and all the stuff, and I'll show you how testing after the finished product look like. Okay, here, so this is what I finished painting them, and this is my back side of my t-shirt, and I also pick up a different color, and this is because I wanted to wearing something when I'm filming my YouTube channel. I basically, just for a small channel of a YouTuber like me out there, just in case you feel like you wanted to have your own collection of your own channel. I think it turned out good, and also I really like this one because this is the front of the thing. I basically just put alphabet on it and just use the color, and on this one I put 2 different black and white ink on it. I think it's pretty fun art and craft project for small channel like I am, and to own some sort of very custom, and it's just help with put the name of the channel out there and let people know you are YouTuber, and I'm proud of it. Hope you like my channel, and if you do, please hit subscribe and like or comment. Have a good day. Thank you.